Good morning. It is 4:20 in the morning. It's the 22nd of December, and you are watching Gaze of the Week. Just kidding. I fully walked downstairs with the intention to pick up my headphones as I got down here, but I forgot them. Trying to make sure I don't fall. Over there. Right here. I'm not gonna lie, this camera's a lot better than my vlogging camera. Everything just looks crazy good. But the only thing too is that I can see myself in the bigger viewfinder. This is my cute outfit. Okay, I'm gonna let them out before I leave. I gotta make sure they get out of the carpeted areas. Good morning, babies. Go make potty. Go make potty. Come on, baby boy. Come on. Good job. Go make potty. Go make potty. Come on, hurry. Go make potty, Peach. Come on, Mops, let's go make potty. 1, 2, 3.
Welcome back, little Josh.
I have, my big goal for today is to get my little vlogging camera over to UPS so they can start the delivery to the, I think it's Illinois it says. So that's a thing that's happening. So I'm almost done with Vlogmas. I have 2 more days to go. So 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 3 days to go. And then we don't really open presents or anything. Like, we just, I don't know. I guess I could have bought Aaron something. He could have bought me something. But like, we kind of just buy each other gifts throughout the whole year. Like, big gifts. So, I don't know. It feels weird. But then, I don't know. Like, I don't really care. But I think that's part of Vlogmas, is opening presents and showing off. Someone's fully wrapped up here. This isn't mine, but I could do it. Just not my thing. Well, the gym session was cut short. Oh my god. So I guess there's a leak at the house. I don't know how bad it is because Aaron still left the gym. I didn't see anything when I was in there, or I probably would have said something. But he said his whole car was covered in water, in hard water, and now has hard water stains. And he's focused on that. And I'm just like, is there a leak in the house? Like, priorities. But I get it. I get it. It's a $100,000 car. But oh my god, I submitted a service request with TLC and they said if it's an emergency to call the number, and I was like, I don't know if it's an emergency, I don't know, Aaron won't tell me shit. And I was like, oh, was it a lot of water? He's all, it was covering my car. I was like, so a lot of water. And he's like, it was enough to cover my car. And I'm like, I don't know if he's being truthful or dramatic or like, no. Okay, well, let's see the damage. I'm assuming it's here. Yep, look, there's a bubble up there. Okay. Well, now I gotta take my own medicine and look for the off switch for the water. I'm pretty sure it's this. What's going on? Hello. Hello. Whoa. It's like Jurassic Park. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Hi. Hi, kids. Hi, kids. Hi, baby children. Hello. Okay, so the water thing worked. Looks like maybe it's draining from the water heater. But I turned off the water. Don't flush the toilets because you only get one. So I'm gonna turn on the water. I'm gonna fill up this water thing with water. So maybe we could still do like toilets if we have to, because that's gonna be gross. Oh my god. This is so stressful. I found the culprit. The toilet thing is like fully calcified out. So I turned it off, and with the water on it stopped leaking. So I think that's what it is. It's like green, but we have such bad hard water here, like it messes with everything. It just breaks everything. Anyway, so I'm eating my soup on my break. I'm 4 hours late to my break! Excuse me? Excuse me, are you eating stuff from the table? Come on now, come on. Get off of here. This bitch. No wonder she's always itching. Can't eat people food, hookah. That's my fault in some way because I left my bowl on the table. But oh, now someone's sick. Of course you're sick. You're not supposed to eat people food. Bull. All right. Well, I tried really hard to go on break, but I couldn't. So 30 minutes later, I have to go on lunch and break at the same time. So I'm gonna run over to UPS, drop off my old vlogging camera, and then hopefully have enough time to hit up Home Depot and get a toilet repair kit, because they like literally make them for this. So holla. Okay, so headed out.
In 800 feet, turn right onto Tesuke Drive Northwest.
Peach, were you scared, Peach? Were you scared when Aaron slammed on the brakes? Oh, there's Dobby. Oh, there's another one. So Aaron took someone's food at Chipotle without asking. Just kidding. They gave the wrong food to him. Wow, Aaron got Mops's fingernail all by himself. She gets these curly fingernails under her toes because she don't move. Okay, so I never got to take a shower after the gym, and I was working. I missed my life today. This is the old one. This is one I replaced. So now I'm gonna take a shower because I was crawling around under the toilet. It's like plastic in there. That's so weird. Anyway, so I'm gonna take a shower now and see you guys in a minute. Jesus. Aaron's afraid we're gonna fall through the ceiling, but I told him that's not how it works. But so I opened it up, so now we'll have to dry. But it looks like maybe it got like this spot, like this spot here. So we'll just leave it open, and worst case scenario, we have to get the sheetrock replaced, but that's not as expensive as the plumber would have been. That would have been like $800, $900, $1,000. Thank you. I am a tinkerer.
It smells like well smells wet.
But we have to let it air out for like at least a week.
So is my car over there safe?
Yeah, that's why I pulled out some of it now, so it doesn't fall. Okay, so dinner is done. I made rice, beans, and meat because protein, carbs, and protein. Aaron's eating an apple. He can eat whatever he wants. And I'm seriously debating going back on Ozempic because Aaron's like, you're fat. And I'm like,
I did not.
Mops.
Did you get ready to sharper knife?
Take it. Mops, don't run with a knife! Come here, no, Mops, no! Okay, so Josh has had a very long, obnoxious day. So I finished my dinner. I am getting ready to edit, and we'll see what this whole vlog looks like on this specific setup. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. It was a very crazy day, but we got through it. I love you guys. I'll talk to you tomorrow. I'll miss you. Goodbye. Have a great day.